Factoring when a is not equal to 1. If you notice in this equation, 5y is not equal to 1, it's actually equal to 5. In order to solve this, we're actually gonna use this factoring method called magical x. Basically, it's actually pretty... It might be a bit complicated to grasp, but just try to listen and hopefully it won't be that hard. First, you'll draw a huge x. Then, we'll be multiplying a c for over here. So, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Then, let's place b, or aka 9, over here. Now, let's think of two numbers that when multiplied to 10, it will be the sum of 9. At this part, it's basically like how you normally do it with if a is equal to 1, like if it's just this. Oh crap, sorry. Now let's think of two numbers. Sorry. We have, let's try 10 and negative 1. Let's place it over here. Let's place them over here, the numbers that we thought of. Let's remove that. Next, we'll be dividing it by a, which is, in this equation, 5. Let's divide. And let's draw another x so that you won't get confused. Like that. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And since negative 1 over 5 is just the same, it will remain as negative 1 over 5. Okay, now that we've done with here, let's create two parentheses. Okay, we have our two parentheses. Now, for x, copy the denominator of 2 over 1. Copy 1, which is x. Next, we'll be adding 2. So x, the other term will be 2 plus 2. Let's add, and 5 will be our x. It will be 5x. And the other term will be negative 1. You might be confused. How is this true? Well, like in the last video, if you remember the FOIL method, let's try doing that to make sure our answer is correct. We have x, 5x, x, negative 1, 2, and 5x, L, 2, and negative 1. We're going to be adding the exponent, so 5x squared. Negative 1 times x is negative x, or negative 1x. 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times negative 2 is 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Now let's combine them. Oh, sorry, I forgot to make it y. Forgive me. Should be y. Remember that you can't change the variable. I just got confused on which letter I wrote, so I'm sorry again. Shoot. Okay, let's go back. 5y squared minus y plus 10y minus 2. Now let's simplify or subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. And since the higher number is positive, it will be a positive number. So 5y minus 9y minus 2. And the same answer is here. So let's finalize our answer. Be transposing 5y. So, the roots in this equation are -2 and 1 over 5. This might be a bit complicated, but once you're able to grasp and remember what the following steps, I'm sure that you'll be able to properly do it.